All right, so this is the Fitbit Charge 5 Fitness and Health Tracker. It features built-in GPS. It has an EDA sensor, which helps you track your stress levels. It has sleep tracking, 24/7 heart rate monitoring, as well as a few other specs. So in this video, we're going to do a quick unboxing and overview, just so that you know what to expect if you do decide to purchase the Charge 5. So inside the box, in addition to the Charge 5, you're also getting a magnetic charger as well as a large wrist strap. The strap that comes installed on the Charge 5 is a small, and I will say I'm not the largest guy at about 5'9", 160, and the small strap is a bit tight for me. So I do think most guys will want to swap out for the larger size. And then of course you're going to get your paperwork and instructions, but let's go ahead and take a look at the tracker itself. So the design is said to be 10% slimmer than the Charge 4, so you're getting that very minimalist feel and look. Swapping out the straps is extremely easy. It has two small clips that you pretty much unsnap to remove and then snap back into place to install. It features a polished stainless steel build, and the touchscreen does feature Gorilla Glass, which is going to give you some great protection, especially when it comes to bumping into things. And speaking of the touchscreen, that is another one of the main upgrades compared to the Charge 4, because it is a color touchscreen and it's said to be about 2 times brighter. So being able to see the screen even in broad daylight is not going to be an issue. As far as battery life, they're claiming that you should get around 7 days per charge, but of course that will vary depending on your specific settings. So there are no buttons on the Charge 5. Everything is controlled via swipe. So to wake the tracker, all you have to do is simply flick your wrist as if you're reading the time, or you can double tap on the screen. So if we swipe down from the main screen, it takes you to Fitbit payments, and this allows you to do contactless payments without having to reach for your phone. You have the do not disturb mode, and this is going to turn off your notifications. So if you're working out and you don't want any text messages or email notifications coming through, you have the option to turn them off. You have sleep mode, and this is going to mute your smartphone notifications and keep your screen from turning on at night. You have the automatic screen wake, which again turns the screen on anytime you flip your wrist. You have water lock, which you want to activate if you're going to shower or swim. This way the water doesn't register any accidental touches on the screen. And the tracker is waterproof up to 50 meters. And then you have the settings where you can adjust your display, your quiet modes, the GPS settings, your notifications, and things of that nature. If you scroll left from the home screen, this is where you can do an ECG. You can do an EDA scan, which again helps you manage your stress levels. You can initiate a timer, set an alarm, track your exercises, and check your notifications. If you scroll up from the main screen, this is where you can get a quick glance of your main stats for the day. You can check your activity level, your heart rate, your sleep score, your blood oxygen, and the number of completed exercises. So just a few things to clarify. You are able to receive text message notifications on the tracker. It does offer you some quick replies, but you're not able to type out a full response. The Charge 5 does notify you whenever you're receiving a phone call, but there is no microphone, so you're not able to handle the phone call through the tracker. You'll still have to pick up your phone or use another Bluetooth device. One feature that a lot of people have been concerned about is an altimeter, which tracks the number of floors that you have climbed, and this is not an option on the Charge 5, so keep that in mind if that is a feature that you're looking for. The Charge 5 does come with a 6-month free trial of Fitbit Premium, which gives you access to some increased analytics, as well as different workout programs and just other helpful fitness related content. So that's my brief overview of the Fitbit Charge 5.